Hey there! As a new gardener, you might be surprised at all the different types of shovels available on the market. But don't worry, we're here to help you make sense of it all. First up, we have the trusty round point shovel. This is probably the most common and versatile type of shovel out there. It's got a pointed, circular blade that's perfect for digging holes, moving soil, and transferring materials. You can also use it for edging, planting, and breaking up soil clumps. It's basically an all-around workhorse. Next, we have the square point shovel. This one has a flat, square blade and is best suited for moving materials like gravel, sand, or mulch. While it can be used for digging and transferring soil, it's not quite as efficient as the round point shovel. Now, let's talk about the drain spade. This shovel has a long, narrow blade with a slightly curved edge. It's specifically designed for digging trenches for drainage pipes and other narrow spaces where a regular shovel won't fit. It's also great for transplanting trees and shrubs. Moving on, we have the garden spade. This is a smaller, more lightweight version of the square point shovel. It has a shorter handle and a smaller blade, making it ideal for working in tight spaces like raised beds or container gardens. If you need to dig deep, narrow trenches, then the trenching shovel is your go-to tool. It has a long, narrow blade that's perfect for laying irrigation pipes, installing drainage systems, or burying electrical cables. Next up, we have the post hole digger. This tool consists of two long handles with two sharp, curved blades at the end. It's designed for digging deep, narrow holes for fence posts, signposts, or other vertical structures. It's also great for planting bulbs or seedlings. Finally, we have the scoop shovel. This shovel has a deep, rounded blade that's perfect for moving large amounts of loose material like compost, mulch, or snow. While it's not ideal for digging or cutting through tough soil, it's great for quickly transferring materials from one place to another. When it comes to choosing a digging shovel, it really depends on the type of gardening you'll be doing and the specific tasks you'll need the shovel for. A versatile round point shovel is a great starting point for most gardeners, but you may want to invest in additional shovels for more specialized tasks. So, go forth and dig with confidence.